As you can see, on the bar here, I've changed the color to dark. So I've just changed the colors now, also of each notification area on bar to success. As you can see, this is a code I added to change when tabs are selected. So I'll also make this code available on Blackboard for you to put on variables. Initially I had put a warning here, that is why it was not changing. But now, as you can see, when clicked, it becomes, it takes a bluish color, the same color. And perhaps we could even change this, put a different color instead of putting dark. Depends on what we want to do. So this is what we are looking to do. What I want from you guys now is to design the login page here, and also design the sign up page. We'll stop here for now. I'll add additional things once you've done this.